The Hynñiewtrep Youth Council, led by President Kupar Synrem on Wednesday, submitted a memorandum to Meghalaya Governor CH Vijayashankar, who is also the Chief Rector of the Northeastern Hill University, seeking his intervention over the appointment of the university's Vice-Chancellor, alleging that it violates the NEHU Statutes. Addressing the media, Kupar Synrem said the Ministry of Education, through its 22nd July order, assigned the Vice-Chancellor's charge to Professor Saroj Kantabarik of the Department of Botany. However, the HYC claimed the decision contravenes Statute 2A Clause 2 of the NEHU Statutes, which provides that the senior-most serving professor should assume charge after the incumbent's tenure ends. The council questioned why Professor Dr. R. Khongsdir of the Department of Anthropology, whom it identified as the university's senior-most serving professor, was overlooked despite the ministry's order giving no reason for bypassing him. Describing the appointment as contrary to the statutory provisions, the HYC said the move could affect the university's administrative functioning and urged upon the governor to take up the matter with the President of India and the Ministry of Education for a review of the order. The HYC said the governor assured the delegation that the memorandum would be forwarded to the Ministry of Education for necessary examination.
Kung magitip o Vice-Chancellor jong kanihu mentau benai ka arpun riu trik jong mentau benai ula kut ka samoi trikam ka dulu bat kakum ka statute lani kaan jong kanihu ka ong bahadin ba u Vice-Chancellor ula song thad lani umla ban trikam lani dangdon haka jing penbet bantung yo Vice-Chancellor batmai na uba shimti ka kam hapo nihu dei bantung ya unu senior most professor banlong kum kata u in charge Vice-Chancellor hang te put NEHU. Dai kai ka bangi ngiyo i galong ba ha ka arpo artrik jong mentau benai. Ka Ministry of Education kala penmi ya kawai ka hukum. Ha ka ba kala pentip ba ka President jong kari India kala thung lane kala ai ka jing menjur na ka benta bentung ya u second senior most professor ban shimti kum UBC ban pet lane ban in charge ya ka NEHU menta support tat haduk bangin yo ya UBC batmai. Kani ka jingle jong ka Ministry of Education lengba ka jika approval jong i President Bedomburom jong kari India kum i visitor jong ka NEHU ngi shim bakalong persya ya ka statute jong ka NEHU nomor la da puli ya ka statute jong ka NEHU kala depan keren da ka basyai haka statute 2A clause 2 kala ong da ka basyai ba habam don nu UBC lakut ke potrekam ka jong ulani omla bentrikam UBC lani bat kum ta ter u senior most professor udai benchimti kum u in charge UBC dai kai ka baja mentang te NEHU kalong balak thung ya u second senior most ka jingkeli ka bangi kwa ban keli ya ka Ministry of Education lengba governor ya ka bangi ai ka jingtho kalong ba u governor kum u Chief Rector jong ka NEHU bat kum juru kum u kli kum u representative jong ka President jong kari India hang ni ka jala ka jongi ni kwa balengba u governor bun tho syaki bor ki badai pet la kalong syaka office jong President la ne syaka Ministry of Education ban penken mau ya ki bakadon kani ka kendon bat ka NEHU la ne ka Ministry la ne kanu ki bor ki mlakan ban pentrikam persya ya ka kendon ka bladon lepa bro sekatang ya keren bagi kwa baka NEHU kan pentrikam ya kan peniat bet ya renti kan peniat jiki kam apun NEHU katkum kan NEHU Act 1973 katkum kan NEHU Statute siong dai ban pentrikam ban pentulo ni ki kam katkum ki an dari mentang yu i pat hakajing thung ya uniu in charge VC la pen Kenya kawin ki kendon jong kan NEHU pi ngim kwa ban comments ya ka jing snow ka jong kita ki stakeholders hapo NEHU nama stakeholders jong kan NEHU kim dai tang ki ba don hapo NEHU ngi kum kinong song snong kum ki try muluk ki try jela jong ka jela Meghalaya baro ngi dai ki stakeholders te habang yo i ba kan NEHU ka Ministry of Education ka pen Kenya ka statute ka jong kan NEHU hi ngimla ban chusnam naman ngila puli ya ka statute jong kan NEHU ngi yo i ba ka statute jong kan NEHU ka kalong da ka basai ka kret ba u acting VC la ne u in charge VC u dei bandai u senior most professor kung mangitip ru ba u senior most professor u dei Professor R. Khongsdir u badai na ka Department of Anthropology kat kum ka jingtip ka jongi ka ministry ru ka klam keli ai na u klem don bakali la fin shimti ne shim hoi la dau tau senior most professor open aging ban ong banganum shimti ne kam da ki dau ki ba fair ya kata la ban long ndai kat kum ka jing so thu ka jong yi ka jing so thu hi ka jong yi ka long ba ka ministry ka klem ai ru wat ya ka dau ba balai la thung do second senior most professor ajaka senior most professor ni wan namar haba ngiwan ban pen pau lem bau governor namang isu thu bau governor de chief rector jong ni hu ngiwan ban pen pau khma jong u ban ong ba kadon ka jing ya lat la ni ka violation ya ka statute jong ni hu but lembaga ni ka city u governor un sapha saka ministry of education dia si ban phai biang ban penkelai kan ni ka order ya ka balai ka arpa atrik lem tau benai ngimtip kai ka respond ka baka ministry of education kan ai ngin up ya kata bat hadin kata ngin sepet kai ka bangi dai ban le hot ka jing mi lenti ka jongi pakalong ba dai ban wan do permanent bc apo ni hu kata ka proses kumbuong governor yang imentan ba ka proses nak benta bentung yo bc permanent kadang yat na tasakmat le si tang hadin katuk ani kan sajab kan surlong titat hadu kata ka puar ya ka bamentahi ka jingkwa ka jongi kalong ba phim dai ken ban penken yang kini kan don namala da piken penken menta it will set a back precedent ko mangiong kani kala banlong nang ni sakmat ru menta pitung yo second senior most haki puar ki bansawan yo pitung yo third lan yo fourth senior most tekan wara ka jing bakla but ka jing penken ki an ki bakani hui kasna